morning! Happy Tuesday. This is Carl Bogar for this item of the week. Last week we had a parts kit come in a box. A parts kit meaning it was a demilled once semi-automatic or fully automatic World War II Beretta 38A. Basically had two triggers, one for semi-auto, one for fully auto. The receiver was cut in three places, but it was an earlier parts kit that had a full intact barrel. So basically we cleaned it up so you could basically, for a class gun or a display gun, you could do a lot with it. Once we finish it, you'll even be able to simulate dry firing it. It'll pretty much do everything but fire, and ultimately result in me going to jail, because obviously rebuilding a fully automatic weapon would be illegal. But it's a viable option to add value to exhibits, public displays, even reenacting, because this gun, if it was functional, would be $15,000, whereas a parts kit you can get for a couple $100. I know even the parts kits are going up. I've seen them as high as $700-800, sometimes rebuilt. But like I said, behind glass, most people won't even notice the cuts in the receiver, but it's a viable option to bring your exhibits up to another level of authenticity. It is, like I said, it is a piece of history, and most of our other ones, like our Bren, no one has ever noticed that the receiver was cut in three pieces. And on our Bren, like as an example, we actually carefully filled it in with Bondo, so together you can't even tell. So this item of the week is a Beretta model 38A, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving this Thursday. And until next week, this is Carl Bogar with Historic Military Impressions, and as always, please like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel.